Hi, welcome to Maggie's Food Gallery. Today we're going to make a pork sisig. First, we need the following. Pork meat that was parboiled and cut into smaller pieces. Small amount of cooking oil. Soy sauce, mayonnaise, egg, salt and pepper, bell pepper, finger pepper, calamansi, onions, and garlic. But first, let's have a quick recap on how we slice the spices. So for this, we have the bell pepper. Just slice and chop it into smaller pieces. The next is the finger pepper. We have the calamansi and the onions. By the way, for the onions, we need to cut one onion into smaller pieces. And the other one should be cut into bigger chunks. And you will know why when we start cooking. Lastly, we have the garlic. Just skin it properly and mince it. Okay, so because we're done on our quick recap, let's start cooking. Let's start on turning on the fire and heat a small amount of cooking oil in the pan. Saute the garlic until light brown. Add in the onions that was sliced into smaller pieces. Put the pork. Put the soy sauce just enough to give our pork a little nice color of brown. Let's add in salt and pepper to taste. Add the bell pepper together with the pepper. When it is already nicely mixed, let's pour in the calamansi. Okay, make sure to use a fork so that the calamansi seed would not be put into the pan. Then let's add in the onion chunks. This is to add more color to our food. Let's put some mayonnaise. You can always adjust the mayonnaise according to your taste preference. Add in 1 egg. When we are ordering sisig in the restaurant, the egg are usually mixed by the customers. But this time, since we don't have sizzling plates, we're going to mix the egg with our sisig. So we're almost done, as you can see. So guys, here's our sizzling sisig. Let's just plate it the way we want it. So here is our final product. This is another simple and easy recipe that you can try at home. If you enjoy our video, please comment, like, and subscribe.